In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account in Monday.com, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're closing your account because you're moving to a new platform or you simply don't need it anymore, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started and simplify everything for your transition. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. You'll find the login button situated at the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're using Google to sign in, click on Sign in with Google. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can manually type in the email address associated with your account. In case you went the Google route, search for the email you utilize for Monday.com in the list and select it. Once you're logged in, direct your mouse cursor towards your profile picture, conveniently located at the top right of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Administration. Now you should see a menu on the left side of the page. Locate and click on Billing. This is where all the action happens as you prepare to close your account. As you scroll through the billing section, keep an eye out for the Close My Account option and click on it. At this point, Monday.com will ask for confirmation. Be aware that this is an important decision because you're about to delete your account permanently. If you're sure, click on Close Account to proceed. Once you have successfully closed the account, another page will pop up. Here's some peace of mind. If you decide that you want to come back, you have the option to reopen your account. Just look for and click on Reopen My Account. But if you are committed to leaving for good, look for the option that says Delete My Account Data. Clicking this will ensure your account and any associated data are permanently deleted, which includes all your boards and workspaces. It's crucial to note that once you choose to delete, this action cannot be reversed. It's a clean slate, so make sure it aligns with your intentions. If you're ready, follow through these steps to ensure you have successfully deleted your account. And there you have it, you've learned how to delete your account in Monday.com. I hope this guide has been helpful and straightforward, making your account closure process smooth. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and good luck with wherever your journey takes you next.